NEO. NEO is a blockchain platform and cryptocurrency which enables the development of digital assets and smart contracts. The project was founded by Da Hongfei in 2014 in China. The project was initially named AntShares, but later it was renamed to NEO. NEO is quite similar to Ethereum. Both of them strive to create an ecosystem of decentralized applications, or dApps, ICOs, and smart contracts. But while Ethereum has been around for some time and has already established itself, NEO is still relatively new and is still developing most of its aspects. NEO uses a delegated Byzantine fault tolerance, or DBFT, consensus mechanism, which, compared to slower proof-of-work protocols that are used with Ethereum and Bitcoin, allows transaction speeds of up to 10,000 transactions per second, compared to Ethereum's 15 transactions per second. NEO tokens can be used to produce gas tokens, which are used as the fuel of the platform, to pay for computation or deployment of smart contracts within the NEO network. This is similar to Ethereum's gas concept, but NEO has a separate gas, or GAS token for it, while Ethereum doesn't. Interesting facts. NEO is often called Chinese Ethereum. NEO is partnered with a company called Onchain, which has extensive experience in integrating blockchain with businesses. While Ethereum only supports their own programming language, Solidity, NEO supports the most common programming languages around, including C, C#, C++, JavaScript, Java, and Python. NEO is essentially developing their platform to be quantum computer-proof. NEO is currently not a distributed blockchain, which means that while it is decentralized, it is only operated on a few nodes, which are all controlled by NEO itself.